Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY concrete bowl. To get started on this project, you'll need 2 bowls, balloons of 2 different sizes, a balloon pump, paint, concrete, and gloves. First, you want to start by opening your box of concrete up. Be sure when you do this, you have something covering your mouth and nose from the dust. You want to add 2 full cups of the concrete mix into your smallest mixing bowl. To the concrete mix, you want to add a small amount of water. First, you want to start out with small. Stir it in using your fingers and gradually add more water in as you're mixing it. You want to be careful not to add too much water because your consistency needs to be thick like a paste. So if you add too much water, you can always add more of the concrete mix to get the correct consistency. Here, I'm just making sure the concrete is mixed in good enough so that I won't have any lumps or chunks. Once you have the right consistency, you want to get your balloon and you want to blow the balloon up to the size you would prefer the bowl to be. When you have the balloon blown up to the size that you would prefer, you then take the largest mixing bowl and use that as a stand to hold the balloon inside. Once you have the balloon in position in the bowl, you want to take that concrete paste and smooth it around the balloon. You want to make sure with the paste that you're going all the way around the balloon, creating the bowl-like shape. Once you have that done, you then want to start on your next balloon. This balloon is going to be made a little bit smaller than the first balloon, so you want to make sure you blow that up to the size that you prefer. Once you have the second balloon blown up to the size that you prefer, you want to then take the concrete paste and smooth it around the smaller balloon in a bowl-like shape, just as you did the first balloon. Once you have completed forming the bows, then you want to sit the two balloons to the side and let them dry. It takes about 48 hours to complete the first drying process. Once they are dry, you want to pop the balloons carefully. You want to make sure you do this step carefully, because if you don't, you could possibly break the concrete bows into pieces. Once you have removed the balloons, then you want to take your paint that you chose in whatever color of your choice and paint the inside of the bowl. I chose this rose gold paint by Martha Stewart. You want to do this step in both the big and the small bowl. This is how the bowls look with just one coat of paint. I added another coat just for a little bit more coverage. Here I'm adding the second coat to both bowls. So after you finish applying the second coat of paint, you allow it 24 hours to dry completely. And once it's dried, you have these beautiful DIY concrete bows. You guys, I love how this project turned out. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again for stopping by.